G'day guys, Gordon from Blue Tongue Industries, YouTubers, window cleaners, facility maintenance, solar panel cleaning industry. I'll drop links below, but today we're going to talk the Sola Tec, the C1000, a rotating brush designed to give you the ability to clean 200 to 250 panels per hour. So driven, like you'll see in our previous videos, by a pressure cleaning system. Very, very small. We aim for 1700 to 1800 psi at the head. Injecting pure water through the pressure cleaning system will give us clean water into the gearbox for long-term longevity, but also allow a perfect spot-free dry on that flat glasswork or solar panels. We've previously showcased the telescopic poles. This pole here is 12 meters in reach length. It also comes in a 15-meter version. You can see the brush assemblies there, which can be attached via Velcro to each section. So if we're hyper-extending over a solar panel, it will allow and prevent the water-fed pole or the beefed-up telescopic pole to not drag on the solar panels. So this particular 12-meter pole, which has a quarter pressure cleaning hose running up the guts, through the gooseneck into the gearbox, the pole only weighs 4 kilos. So showcasing today is the modular pole assemblies, which can be adapted to the C1000. 1.8 meters in height. The 12-meter pole weighs in at 4 kilos. The modular poles weigh in at 500 grams. So if you're doing groundwork or even commercial work in tight spaces, swinging around 500 grams, or if we double that up to a kilo, will be a lot more easier on ergonomics on the body than using still a very lightweight, compact, high-end 12-meter telescopic pole. Lever lock arrangement, and when we look at the poles, the base of the poles have a protecting cap and an insert there for a bit more rigidity and protection. The poles go together traditionally like lever lock clamp poles and a sectional. Simple as that. The gooseneck arrangement, which can be seen at the top of the pole, is featured to take or adapt to these modular poles. So quite a sturdy adapter which will go in. So the difference between these two particular arrangements is on the 12-meter pole we have the pressure hose running up the guts, water through the gearbox. The modular poles have an external water source. So we have connections, which I'll show you shortly, which will allow the pressure cleaning hose at a quarter to run around, clip onto the modular poles and go directly into the gearbox. So it allows operators to work differently. So whether we have a tap arrangement and a pressure gauge to be able to turn off water at the gooseneck, or whether you have a water stop to enable us to stop water by our feet to stop the rotation of the brush, and that comes down to personal preference. I'll show you some more brushes. This is the little pressure cleaning system that we ideally set up with these particular kits, and that's rated higher than the operating parameters required, but we're not running this at max RPM, so it's giving us about that 1700 to 1800 psi, 10 litres a minute. A couple of different brushes which are added in accessories to the rotating brush. We have the 400mm brush and the 58 centimetre brush. So quite large, quite heavy duty and quite well designed. So they can flex at different angles once we undo the lever lock clamping screw. So very well built. Added goosenecks to take different brands of poles at all different diameters. So if you wanted to adapt your pole to take the Sola Tec range or these particular brushes, there's a couple of key different dimensions, and you would basically strip out one or two sections of your pole, add different adapters to be able to take or adapt to your pole to allow you to run a pressure cleaning hose and then adapt to either the C1000 or these particular brushes. Simple clamps to be able to lock onto the modular poles, which I mentioned before. which will slide on each pole and enable you to keep the hose away from the operator's feet. The water stops for turning the water off can be as simple as a mounting on a suction cap or mounting on the solar panel, and the brush assemblies which will keep the pole off the ground. Do check us out on the web, bluetongueindustries.com.au. You can follow our socials on Instagram, Facebook, alike. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and hope you've found it a bit interesting. And for the guys out there that have already got the C1000, the modular poles might be something that might suit you in those tight arrangements, or when we're doing those big quantities of solar panels in those farms. It might be something right up your alley. We'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.